The Morakniv Garberg Black Sea is a powerful full-tang knife designed to withstand the toughest challenges imaginable. Both the spine and rear end are ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the Firestarter. The 3.2mm thick blade is made of high-quality carbon steel and has a DLC coating that to some extent protects against rust. Keep in mind though that carbon steel needs to be maintained, so make it a habit to wipe your knife and oil the blade after using it. Morakniv Garberg Black Sea is the ultimate tool for your adventure.
This is the Schrade Survival Hatchet. Designed for hard use in extreme situations, the Survival Hatchet is kept secure in a rugged thermoplastic sheath and is protected yet easily accessible with a large flap and snap closure. There's a large belt carry loop and 5 grommet holes for lashing the hatchet to gear. Its compact size makes it easy to pack. The Survival Hatchet features a thick, titanium-coated head made out of durable, rust-repelling stainless steel. The head is fused to a solid glass fiber-filled PA handle that is designed to maximize the power of every stroke. And the ergonomic rubberized handle makes the Survival Hatchet comfortable for extended use in any weather. Use the blade end to chop, cut, or split wood for fire, shelter, or bushcraft. Use the rear pommel to hammer nails and stakes, or as a crushing or breaking tool. To start a fire, use the extra-large, spark-showering ferro rod stored in the handle. Make sure to scrape off the protective black coating before striking for best performance. Designed for extreme conditions, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade Survival Hatchet.
To introduce you to our most heavy-duty and waterproof tarp, the Defender. The Defender uses a very durable 70D nylon that's dual-coated with DWR and TPU. You can see how thick and almost rubbery that TPU coating is here. It actually blocks out the camo pattern on the underside of this tarp fabric. This combination of materials gives the Defender a waterproof rating of 20,000 millimeters. Now translated, this means that if there were a 65-foot tall column of water just pressing down on this tarp, it would not get through the fabric. So, tough fabric, durable waterproofing, and we reinforce the tarp's key stress points at every intersection. Doubled up fabric on the corners, really strong webbing loops and stitching here as you can see, and we even buttress the ridgeline with webbing to ensure those important tie-outs never tear away when under duress by wind or other forces. The Defender is built to last and is also extremely adaptable. With almost countless configuration options, you can set up and shelter in any terrain. Plus, we make it in 4 sizes to ensure whatever your outdoor adventure, your trip is totally covered.
This is the award-winning LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. It can go here, every day and on your favorite adventures. Really. Ultra lightweight and portable. You can drink water from here, practically anywhere. And it's been trusted by outdoor experts, survivalists, and emergency response workers since we started. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. With this technology, Water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that removes bacteria, parasites, microplastics, sand, silt, and sediment. The membrane microfilter lasts up to 1,000 gallons. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
This is Tim. I'm going to do a quick demo for you on the Uber Lieben Stoker. So this is what you're going to get. You have it in a little canvas bag like this. You will pull it out. It's going to look something like this. Basically what you want to do, all these pieces are the same. You're going to want to just connect them all together. We'll save the one with the round hole last. So let's do this. This unit you're seeing right now has seen a lot of use. So basically, you can see these little holes in here. They're on all of them except one, and that's this one we're going to save for last. So basically, you'll see this piece. There's 3 little tabs right here. You'll want to stick all of those in those little slits all the way around. You got it like that, and then basically you're going to stick the last one on. Hook it right there, and then all you got to do is just do a little twist to get that one on. Good to go. Then you also have some little supports in there, which this is basically just for if you have a really heavy pot. But you can click these together like that and stick them in here, and that'll just give you some added lateral support for putting a lot of weight on there. That's it. Hopefully that helps. Taking it apart is basically just the same thing in reverse.